see, this is the red velvet salad.
Yeah.
And that reminds me of the red velvet cake, but
Right.
it's a salad.
Yeah. Okay, so let's make the dressing first. So some salt,
Salt as per taste.
as per taste.
Swad anusar.
So, some black pepper. You can also put white pepper.
White pepper.
Yeah, you also get white pepper. So this is apple cider vinegar. This is very strong in taste.
It is very pungent.
Very pungent. So you have to add it very carefully. So I'm
Okay.
just adding half a teaspoon of it. Okay, just half a teaspoon. Because even the strawberries, even if they are in season, they are a little tart in the taste.
Correct, correct.
So we don't want to overpower the tartness. Then some honey.
Honey gives a very nice taste to the salad.
Right.
no?
It rounds up all the flavors.
Correct.
So this is 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to add another teaspoon. So 2 teaspoons of honey.
Okay.
So you'll just mix this dressing. I'll just pour the oil
Yes,
into this.
yes.
So again 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil.
Okay.
Okay. So the dressing is ready. Now I'm just going to add chopped carrots, strawberries. So all of these veggies are in season. Other fruits and vegetables.
Season,
Yeah. Some mint leaves.
The fruits are a treat to the eyes also. They
Yeah.
look very fresh, you know.
Fresh and colorful. So mint and paneer is going to add some more color into the salad.
Also, I feel that olive oil it soothes the texture of the salad.
Right, you're right. Because olive oil has got very soothing and a peculiar taste.
Correct.
So yeah, mint. And now the paneer. So I'm going to crumble the paneer.
The paneer. Okay.
Okay, so this is ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready
Ready
to taste? Yeah.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Okay, I forgot the red velvet cake. This is yummy.
Better version of red
Yeah.
velvet.